Yeah, okay, sige. Yung Defender page dyan ang libelous. Yung konti pa lang nakita ko dyan ha, yung kay si Tita Gloria, tsaka yung si Nisa, yung ginawang triangle yung mukha mo, Nisa. I don't even know. I don't see. And Defenders, that is libelous. And we can trace back. We can trace it kung sino may-ari niyan.
Yes.
And most likely, yung IP address ninyo, people, pareho. Otherwise, buhay yung 5 Pilipinos nyo.
Mag-iingat
Even
kayo
you
kasi
ko.
lahat yan.
Mm-mm.
Ayan ha,
Alam mo,
winahingan na namin
yung
kayo
5,
ha.
yung 5 PEG tsaka yung Defender, meron commonality ng IP address. Otherwise, you better be sure about that.
Wow, see?
Sige nga, magkaso kayo. Try natin.
Ito ha,
Ang pala nyo sa amin pa nga.
I said this before, Nisa, diba? Ito lang, ito summarize why he will never go to court. Like I said before, you cannot go to court without clean hands. That's a doctrine. Alam na, abogado mo yan. Kung ikaw mismo madungis, wag na wag kang hihingi ng relyebo sa korte.